case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1971, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard the case of Forest Laboratories, Inc. v. Pillsbury Company. Forest Laboratories, a producer of effervescent sweetener tablets, filed a lawsuit against the well-known food manufacturer Pillsbury, alleging that they stole their trade secret for packing tablets. Despite obtaining a patent for the process, Forest Laboratories claimed Pillsbury used the secret before the patent was issued. In a lower court, Pillsbury was found liable, but the Court of Appeals disagreed, stating Pillsbury had only become aware of the trade secret through a former employee. Forest Laboratories appealed the $75,000 awarded to Pillsbury, and the Court of Appeals determined that the reasonable royalty method for determining damages was correct. Ultimately, Pillsbury was found liable for using Forest's trade secret after receiving notice, and a reasonable royalty was used for damages. However, the Court of Appeals decided that the $15,000 awarded to Forest for attorney's fees was unjustified, as the other factual determinations weren't erroneous, and the Court of Appeals determined that the reasonable royalty method for determining damages was correct.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.